Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to create crypto.com account. So let's get started. First, go to our crypto.com app and then in here we choose to create new account. Then click that and then our email address. After that, create new account and then we verify our email. Wait for it and choose this create an account. Wait for a couple of seconds and then let's put our mobile number. In here I'm from Philippines. So and then after entering we will receive a verification code and then after that we verify our identity and let's start. So I'm gonna click my driver license and then I'm gonna get back to you guys after I confirm my identity. And after that they're going to investigate if you're to review our documents. So that's it.